Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the brand ambassador and product trainer for Jangro. Today, I'm going to show you the sachets in action. So I'm going to take a probiotic washroom cleaner sachet. I'm going to mix that in the relevant trigger bottle. So I'm just going to add cold water. It doesn't need hot water or any temperature. Literally just filling that up with cold water. Place the sachet inside like so. Put the lid or the trigger back on. Just going to tighten that up, and then I just need to shake to mix it. Like so. That is now ready to use. So this is the probiotic washroom cleaner that we've already mixed. So to actually use the product, simply wet your cloth, apply to the surface, and let it dry naturally. It really is as simple as that. See you on the next one.